Assalamu alaikum everyone. This video brief is about uh, FEA Lab Report 5, and so it is about plane stress in a plate with a hole, and that is a problem description. And then required is plot one minus stresses along axis of symmetry of the plate on edge and considering full plate, half plate along each axis of symmetry, and compare stresses along axis of symmetry using full plate. And for this purpose, I have recorded a video and that is available in the channel. Plane stress in a plate with a hole having two axes of symmetry using a abacus. So I have explained everything, analysis everything in that video. So now what is required in that? You need to write title of that, then objectives, then introduction. In introduction, you need to write about plane stress, then von Mises stress, and then analytical approach to calculate plane stress in a hole about FEA, and then write your objectives at the end. Methodology, results, and for all that purpose, whatever are the instructions given here in the sample laboratory report, you need to follow those instructions how to write lab report. So analytical results, you need to, in the results, you need to present that plane stress in a hole for biaxial tensile load. Okay, and here you are going to present maximum and minimum. Here, like, or sometime maximum stress, okay, in x direction, in x and y direction, and then from there how to calculate von Mises stresses theoretically or analytically. And the numerical results, they will be deflected shape for von Mises stress for full plate, half plate, and quarter plate, and to compare that with uh, analytical results. So you need to hear comparison of like analytical and numerical results, and that most of analytical results are uh, they are for maximum stress. So here you need to compare maximum stresses. And in the numerical result, deflected shape for one Mises stresses with plate, full plate, half plate, and quarter plate. And in full plate, that is the left half and the lower half of the plate, as I have uh, explained in that video. So then you need to put that contour plots of like the full plate. Here is the full plate and von Mises, and then you need to put the contour plot of that. And for that purpose, you need to uh, print viewport, and for that one file, and then here you are print, okay, all viewport, but current viewport color, and then it is going in like, yeah, so that is, let's say, full plate, and you need to use that TIFF files. Okay, apply. Okay, so that full plate TIFF is there in the TIFF file. So I'm just going to copy it, copy, and then paste in that numerical results. In the results, they are numerical results, reflected shape for more one Mises stresses, and then size of that you need to keep at 12. Okay, and with the 12 it is easily readable. So you need to create here in the numerical results, you need to further create a subheading level 3. This is 14, that is 12. So here you need to create another level of heading, and that is, let's say, sub sub heading, and it is, let's say, left aligned. So 12 bold, because that is 14 bold sub level. And then for this one I am going to update that. So that is third level subheading level, and you are going to name it as full plate, and then that is a full plate. Then you'll go for half plate, and that is a heading level 3. So here you are going to it is left half plate. Okay, so for left half plate, similarly you are going to go into the left half plate, and that are the this is the deformed shape. Okay, and then file, print, and then current viewport, I am going to give it name as left half plate. Apply, and then you can see that it is in the folder here. And just copy it and then paste it in the left half plate, and then you need to add description for that, and that is 12, and home. Okay, and for that one, in that you need to all those nodes here for each part, like for full plate. After that, so then you need to plot those results. Like here, I have already full plate with the hole. So full plate with hole path, go here, that is a full plate hole. Just copy it, paste it in Excel. Okay, and then you can plot that one like that way. So 3 plots for each full plate, half plate, and like similarly for this one. So 3 plots here in the results for each full left half, lower half, and quarter plate. And in the discussion, what is required, like for a whole. So in discussion is required a plot like full plate, half plate, lower half, and quarter half plate in one graph. So in discussion, 3 plots are required, and in each plot, then you have to full lower half, left half, and quarter plate. Plotting graph. So you can click on the playlist in the channel, and then in the MS Office. So that is here in the view playlist, and then line graph with multiple series in MATLAB. So you can watch that video to get that multiple series. But you need to draw lines, these lines without any markers. Okay, and that's it, I think. Okay, okay, so once you will done all that, then what you need to do, you need to add header on the top of that. Okay, so insert here header, and then that is a 3-column header, and then its font must be like all that. You need to keep it as 10. Okay, and here your full name here, your full name here, and your registration number as 2019 ME000 as a 3-digit, and then you can here FEA lab report, FEA lab report 5. Okay, so once you will done that one, then you need to add page number that is already there. So otherwise you can go insert, and then you can add page number bottom of the page, and that one is the center one. Okay, and for that one you need to keep that font as 10. Okay, so once you've done all that, then next one what you need to do here, go to the references, and add table of content. Okay, and that automatic table, like that is a table of content, and then for this one you name it as heading 1. So the contents or table of content. Okay, and then after that you need to, so on the first page just table of content, and then once you will finish off that you can update entire table. Okay, so like this way. Okay, so now the last one, you need to add a title page to that. So for that one, go to insert and then cover page. Okay, and there are few options for the cover page. So whatever you like, you can add that cover page. So like any, let's say that one, that is the cover page. Okay, but I don't like it. So you can change that to like this one. That is the cover page. Okay, and because the name, like here you will give the title of that. Here your thingy. Okay, and there is no need of submitted to, submitted by. There is no need of that. Okay, or otherwise you can go another option which is here. So that one option, deflection of beam, your name, no need of that, adding abstract. Okay, or there is no need of that, but so like you say deflection of beam, but it's not deflection of beam, whatever is your title of experiment. So you can find out that which one is suitable. So like as deflection of beams, and then here your name, your registration number. So registration number is important, and then you can ignore the other ones, and then here you can see FEA, finite element analysis. So it is your choice that which one you are going for. But what I want here title of the experiment and then your registration number just, and that is a proper way of doing a writing a report. So if you need further any help, you can ask a question in Microsoft Teams.